Understanding voice anonymization.
Voice anonymization is the process of disguising or removing voices from audio recordings. This protects privacy by making it difficult or impossible to identify the original speakers. With the rise of advanced AI tools, it is now possible to automate this process, enabling secure and private sharing of audio files without exposing sensitive personal information.
Choosing the right AI voice anonymizer.
Several software solutions use AI to anonymize voices, such as Audacity plugins, Voice Anonymizer apps, and online services like Altered Studio. Look for features like customizable voice masking, noise removal, and strong data protection. Ensure the tool you select supports your file types and respects user privacy policies before proceeding.
Step 1. Upload or record audio.
Start by either uploading an existing audio file or recording a new one directly in the anonymization tool. Most platforms provide clear buttons labeled Upload or Record. Double-check your microphone and file format compatibility. Having a clear, high-quality recording will lead to better anonymization results.
Step 2. Select anonymization settings.
Once your audio is loaded, choose your anonymization settings. Common options include voice pitch alteration, robotic or synthetic voices, and complete voice removal. Some tools offer preview modes so you can review how the changes will sound. Adjust the sliders or settings to achieve the desired level of privacy and audibility.
Step 3. Process and export the audio.
After selecting your preferences, click the Process or Apply button. The AI will disguise or remove the voices as specified. Review the output, then export or save the anonymized file in your preferred audio format. You can now share your audio securely, knowing that private voices are protected.
Tips for effective voice anonymization.
For best results, use clear recordings and choose reputable tools with strong privacy standards. Test different anonymization levels to find a balance between privacy and understandability. Always keep a backup of the original files and promptly delete any unnecessary copies to further ensure privacy when handling sensitive audio.